No other eye. Just this eye. Never this eye. This eye. Hey everyone. I'm tired today, which is why I am happy I'm putting on some makeup because I look tired. This is not good. I'm actually going to be using my 35C Everyday Chic by Morphe palette. So this is kind of my palette review on this. I love this palette for many reasons, but mostly it is a gorgeous collection of colors. Look at that. It is a really good everyday use palette. It has mattes, it has shimmers, it has soft highlight colors. It's got just a huge selection of just beautiful colors. Even got some fun green, and that's really good. And in the very center, it has a really cool glitter pigment, which is always fun. But I really like it because it's a good all-purpose palette, and you don't always find good all-purpose palettes. You know, they'll have like these great, fabulous colors, and like my Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe, I love it, but it doesn't have like the lightest highlight colors, so I always have to use it and another palette. But this is a palette that you can use by itself to do your whole face. It's got your dark and your light and your mid-tones, and so you can do a whole look just with it. So it does have a really nice spectrum. Has colors in both cool tones, warm tones, and neutrals, and so you can do some really nice looks with it. It's got purples and they all work with each other, so you could do a full purple look, a full kind of burgundy look, and even a full green look with it without having to switch palettes. And that's why I love this palette, because you can use one palette to do a full look. And that is a rare thing. So I'm going to be doing just a quick, simple eye with this. Just so you can see it in use. I really like Morphe palettes. They always have good pigment. They tend to transfer really true from the palette to the eye. They sometimes will have a little bit of fallout, but they're not bad. So I tend to be like a huge Morphe fan. It's just like I fell in love with it, and it's just a really good all-around palette usually. So here we go. We all have that one droopy eye. Stabbing yourself in the eye is never a good thing. And that is basically it. All little bit of little. I love this palette. It's like the one I always use when I do my soft kind of look where I just want my eyes look big and pop. I just love it. So if you have your hands on a 35C, enjoy.